Hello and welcome to the first training video of Mr. Ivan's virtual classroom. So on your device, you're going to open up your internet browser and type in, as you see up at the top, mrivan93.edublogs.org. And that'll take you to Mr. Ivan's virtual classroom. The first page you see is this welcome page, but this training video is about how to access your homework. So go over to the yellow sticky note, and you're going to see on the yellow sticky note 3 buttons: audio lessons, downloadable homework, and video lessons. Let's click on the audio lessons page. All right, what you see is the first 3 recordings for history, and underneath that you have 2 recordings for religion. All you have to do is press the little triangle, which is the play button.
The mystery of history.
This is actually me.
Creation.
All right, so that's actually me in the recording on another recording. That's kind of funny. All right, now let's go down to downloadable homework. When you click on the downloadable homework, there you're going to see first week of school, August 4th through 7th. And when you scroll down, you see all of your subjects where you can click on the link and download your homework. And I'll show you how to save and send it in another video. But let's just click on the first one for reading. I click on that. And it's loading. Here it is, pops up in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. Here it is, my first piece of reading homework, which is going to be a baseline test. All right, now let's go back to the website. To do that, I click on the little triangle on the bottom, not triangle, square on the bottom. It shows me all my pages. I click on the website again, and I can click on each one to download. All right, now let's go over to video lessons. When you click on video lessons, you see right now the only thing I have up is my virtual open house. If I go ahead and hit play there, it's loading.
I'm Mr. Ivan, and I'm so excited to be your teacher this year.
And I am excited to be your teacher this year, and I'm excited that it's playing right on the website. All right, now let's say you got to get a question, you got to get a hold of me. Scroll all the way down. At the very bottom it says contact Mr. Ivan. It has my email address. Or what you can do is on the very first page, my home page, click up on the top. That brings you to the home page. See underneath the post says leave a comment. And there you can type in any questions you have for me. And you see that right when I click on that, the little keyboard comes up on the tablet. You have to type in this anti-spam word to make sure that you're not a robot. It says boom flap, so that's what I'm going to type in. That's just a silly word to make sure you're not a robot. Put in your name. And then put in your email address. Oh, mine's already popped up. And then hit post comment. And that's actually going to send me a message right to my mailbox. All right, so that's how you can get around and use these 3 pages on our virtual classroom website.